guys, welcome back to Griffzilla Garage. Got a Jeep 3.6 liter. We're doing spark plugs. I didn't see any videos on how to easily get the intake manifold off. So here it is. Check this out.
You're going to have two 10 millimeters right here. Just take those out. And then you're going to have a 13 millimeter down below. Don't let the other guys fool you. That doesn't need to come out.
Listen, you don't need to take off that lower bolt, all right? Here's what you got to do. Like, stop, collaborate, and listen. Griff is back with the brand new mission. Get your 210s off and your pry ball out. Go at it with a whole new ambition. Just check it. Here's what you're going to do. You get your pry bar. You stick it right in here. Give it a little love. Just got to talk to it. Say, come on, babe. Come on. So you're on. I'll be here all week. Listen, if somebody else wants to waste their time taking off that other bolt, God bless them. Here at Griffzilla Garage, we want to get this thing done. And I'm level 3 Mopar certified, so, I mean, it must be right? Check it out. Here's what you do. This hose, get these off, push them back out of the way, all right? You're going to have two 10-millimeter screws that are holding this in. Undo those and just pull this back out of the way. You're not going to break it. Just pull it back some, give yourself some work room. And now you have some room to slide the intake out. Then you're going to have 7 intake manifold bolts, all right? You're going to have 3 right here. You're going to have 3 on the bottom. That's going to be 6. And you got another one that's hiding out back here on the back side. Don't forget number 7, all right? Definitely got to get number 7. And there he is. You're going to have 2 bolts right here, little 10-millimeter heads. Undo those 2. You don't need to worry about taking the top ones off. This one was already missing them, but you can leave those 2 on if you want. And just because it was missing those 2 10-millimeter nuts when it came in, don't be like those hack techs that are like, it was like that when it came in. It doesn't matter what it was like when it came in, man. How's it going to be when it left? You got to take off this hose here. So take that out.
Yeah, and I think this goes without saying. Obviously, unplug any plugs that are plugged in. I mean, come on, guys. Don't go full retard, all right?
All right, so you get that stuff off. Pull this up out of the way a little bit. Just like that. It's like that and like this and like that and like something like that. Yeah. Hey, you need that extra kick in the pants? MTE, more than energy. Or, my wife likes to call it, mom's terrific energy. This is good stuff. Get some of this, all natural. It's not UTN, up the nose. Woo! MTE. Get yourself some. All right, going back together. Go ahead and get your evap hoses out of the way. Just slide this bad boy in here. So we'll just seat them first.
Yeah, well, those tighten down. Let me tell you why I believe the Bible. I believe the Bible because it's 66 books written by at least 40 different authors by eyewitnesses during the lifetime of other eyewitnesses, claim specific prophecies and that they are divine in origin rather than human.
Don't forget this little guy back here. Little guy. All right, remember, there's 7 of these. Make sure you torque these at 89 inch-pounds. All right, for those that want to do it exactly by the book, here's your torque sequence. Pop, pop. Here's the time and money saver, guys. As soon as I can find my pry bar, there it is. Whoop, there it is. That's on so get your pry bar, go ahead and snake it right in here. And I'm just going to push it over. Put it right on those studs. Check it out. And you don't got to push it real far. You just need it far enough that you can get the nut to grab. All right, so look, man. This throttle body, this is nasty, all right?
It's a nasty throttle body. A Lasitech wouldn't clean it. But you're more than a Lasitech, aren't you?
Don't be like those guys. Like, well, that's how it was, man. Or they want to charge an extra, half hour for a throttle body. Just, dude, you're already here. Just clean it up, man.
It cleans the throttle body while it's there. It does this so the customer comes back again. Oh, mister, I'm a lazy technician. Clean the throttle body while you're there!
And don't forget to reset the throttle body adaptation.
Look at that, man. Got that nice, clean throttle body.
Ooh, that's nice.
I'm getting awesome. You're getting